Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix ROG Ally not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your ROG Ally here and it's not turning on, there are going to be a few things that you can actually try. So first thing that you can try here is you may want to use the original charger. Now you'll need to jumpstart the power flow here, and for that the best option is the original charging dock and power cable that came with your ROG Ally. If you don't have that handy, make sure you're using a high wattage power supply and not just any random USB charger. Next is you want to plug it in and check for lights. Now you want to connect the charger to the top charging port here, usually in this area here, and in this case you want to watch for the charging light. Now if the light turns on, it's a good sign. You can try powering the device right away. Now, if the light doesn't show up at all, your next move should be to contact ASUS customer support because that may indicate a hardware issue here. Now, if the light does come on but it still doesn't boot, try leaving it plugged in for a few hours. Now, after that, try turning it on again, and sometimes it just needs a time to build up enough charge in order for it to wake up. And yeah, so that in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.